Hello everyone! Today we introduce you to Roll Cheyenne, a premium leather bag for all Scout 2022 Up Indian Chief and all Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 models. Thanks to milled leather softness, it can be unrolled to offer a wide range of loading capacities. Fidlock magnetic buckles grant a fast loading experience, while regular buckles allow to register the straps accordingly to your loading needs. This bag can be installed on different models thanks to hard mount or detachable installation kits that are always included and that are tailored for the motorcycle of destination. Roll Cheyenne is equipped with an iron back panel that allows for a sleek installation while granting the proper support in every condition. Compatibility is the key. This bag can be easily installed on all motorcycle models of destination without relocating the turn signals. Practical and versatile, Roll Cheyenne perfectly resonates with bikers' nomad spirit, unlocking new possibilities for your rides.